Hey Lance, this is Tia giving you a call back. I told me you called and you filled you in with what the mechanic mentioned, and that's what I got here written down. I think that honestly, this little shavings in the bottom, I don't think they're going to float around and go through like the whole motor. They're going to stick on the bottom, and the filter is going to capture all that stuff anyway. So yes, he does agree that it's from the installation of it. He says he does his best to get all the metal out. He does say, with the time strips, he does the warranty on it. Just one of those things, it's a very difficult situation to get that perfect. And it's not leaking oil, so it's a very good job as far as that aspect goes. He says that you have to flush cut the time strips of the case, so that's why it was a little rough there. But he says it's totally fine. Good to go, no problems. So call me back if you have any questions. Otherwise, just feel free to come by.